In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to flip a window's orientation in your model. Let's jump right in. The goal here is simple. Select the window you want to adjust, then use the on-screen flip arrows to change its facing or its swing direction without moving the opening along the wall. This is great when a window is installed, but its orientation isn't matching your design intent. First, select the window in your model. Zoom in if you need to, and click directly on the window element, not the wall around it, so the window's controls appear. You'll know it's selected when you see the dedicated handles or arrows on or near the window. If nothing appears, deselect and click again to make sure you're grabbing the window itself. Look for the visual highlight or outline that confirms the selection. It helps to isolate your view slightly or orbit the model to a clear angle so you can see the controls cleanly. If you still don't see the controls, make sure you don't have multiple elements selected. Flipping only works when the single window element is active. With the window selected, use the flip arrows. You'll see two types of arrows, horizontal and vertical. The horizontal flip swaps which side of the wall the window faces. Think of it as mirroring the window across the wall's center line. This is especially useful when trim, sill, or exterior features are on the wrong side. The opening stays in the same place along the wall and the size doesn't change, but asymmetric details will visibly switch sides. Click the horizontal arrow once to flip, click it again if you want to toggle back. Next, the vertical flip reverses the orientation of the window itself, like changing the swing direction for an operable unit. Hinges, sash, or the dominant frame side will flip to the opposite edge. On casement or awning windows, you'll see which side the hardware or opening action moves to. On a fixed window, you might simply notice the profile or trim mirroring. Again, a single click toggles the change and another click reverts it. A couple of quick tips as you work. If a flip arrow is grayed out or unresponsive, the window family or constraints may prevent flipping, so check that the element isn't locked or hosted in a way that restricts changes. If you don't like the result, use undo to instantly roll back. After flipping, take a moment to visually confirm in your current view that the facing and swing look correct. That's it. Select the window so its controls appear. Then